I think we have a lot of very qualified people. They may not be active in politics at the moment, but I think if they are given a chance, they can lead the country. But if you name the Prime Minister now, then some people are going to be very disappointed. And that will split the party. So at the moment, we are not saying anything except that if the opposition wins, the most likely Prime Minister would be Muhyiddin. But it depends upon his party whether they will elect him as president, and it also depends upon the coalition to decide who should be the Prime Minister. So at this moment, we are not into naming the future president of, future Prime Minister of Malaysia.